filly. Look, she is a 2-year-old filly taking on older company days, but we have seen probably the last 3 weeks 2-year-olds winning open maidens. I like to see you go into May and June. You see those 2-year-olds.
Is it just 2?
Maidens, but you're right. She was pretty good at the trials here at NAVMAN. She just sat in behind the 3 leaders. Come off.
Joining me tonight for our special Anzac Day edition of Triple M Aussie.
Brilliant, thanks, man.
I've got a new run.
We're not dog people necessarily, and you just got to guess which dog is making the bark. Yeah. But who better to play it with than the guy that's walking 57 dogs?
Completely.
Absolutely.
Well, yeah, only 55. But we're just going to have a quick chat with him. Yeah. Congratulations on the record. Let's not talk about the 2 dogs. And then let's get straight.
Heavy tracker, heavy 10. She was 3 wide the trip. She weakened out and got beaten 13.9. 70. Flying Heroes at 480. Butler's Beach at 6. Yeah, I'm with Diana Rocks, 10, 9, 8 and 1. Lovely big scopy filly. Gave her 1 run.
Everybody finds somebody somewhere. There's no telling where.
Why did you wait until then, you fucker?
Celebrating a special occasion, it's better with friends. Enjoying the birthday, it's better with friends.
Where the fuck are you going, mate? Oh, no you fucking don't. No you fucking don't. Never seen it from this side. This is how pieces. Be to do this. Piss off. I'm not letting that fucking ambulance in. You're not doing this. It's a fucking divider. No! Oh, you fucking piss me. What fucking part of one lane don't you understand? Oh, for fuck's sake. The heck? Yeah, fucking hell. Oh, hello.
To the show, to the studio. Now, we want to spoil Matt because he said he'd like to be pampered on his yes day. And he's
Fucking
been
serious.
growing this
Piss
beard
off.
for, well, a few years now. And he hasn't.
Yeah, you
I don't know what
fucking
it looks like.
fucking horse people. Jesus.